Hello everyone. This is Revathi M, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, Artificial Intelligence and Data Science, Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. In this series, we are going to discuss about the theoretical fundamentals of artificial intelligence. So today we are going to discuss. So in this presentation, we are going to discuss about the artificial intelligence and Turing machine. First, we see the introduction to artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence refer to creating machine that can mimic cognitive function that human associate with the human mind. It includes learning, reasoning, problem solving, perception, and language understanding. For example, a chatbot answering question like a human or a robot navigating an environment is stimulating human thinking. AI enables learning from experience and performing human-like tasks. So just like human learn from experience, AI system improve that performance using data and feedback. So next we see the definition for the intelligence. So intelligence equal to perceive, plus analyze and react. So first, the system sense its environment. First, observe the environment, then it will analyze the process, then it will be react. So for example, in self-driving cars, see first perceive the input via camera, then it analyze the data. So it calculate the distance, speed and possible action. Then it will be react. Based on the analysis, it make a decision and act. For example, the car stops or changes direction. So these are the example for intelligence. Next, we see the key areas of artificial intelligence. First one is a machine learning. So machine learning is the brain behind artificial intelligence. It allows computer to learn from data just like we learn from experience. Instead of programming every step, we feed the system a lot of data and it learns to make decision on its own. So for example, when Netflix recommend movie to you based on your viewing history. So in Netflix, you frequently used to watch the horror movie. It recommended the horror movie for your preferences. So yeah, machine learning finds pattern, learn from them and improve over time without being explicitly told what to do. Next one is a NLP. So NLP is a natural language processing. So, it's helps machine understand and respond in human language. It's the reason we can talk to Alexa, Siri, or even chatbots on websites. It involves understanding spoken or written words, processing the meaning and replying appropriately, just like we do in conversation, what we do in a chatting or any other conversations. So NLP makes communication between the human and machines possible and natural. Next we see the robotics. So robotics is the one of the key areas of artificial intelligence. So it deals with the design and building of machine that can physically move and interact with the world. But when we combine AI and robotics, these machines cannot only move, but also think, adapt and make smart decisions. Think of self-driving car or robot used in surgeries. Imagine how a self-driving car sees traffic signals that computer vision in action. So that is the fourth one. So computer vision is the one of the key areas of artificial intelligence. So it allows AI system to analyze images or videos like recognizing faces, detecting objects, or even diagnosing medicals. So these four domains allow AI system to learn, understand language more intelligently and see the world. These are the building blocks of smart system around us today. Next, we see the applications of AI. So the real world application of artificial intelligence, the example will show you how AI is not just theory. It's already changing our lives every day. First one is a healthcare. So the healthcare is revolutioning with the help of artificial intelligence. Doctor can now doctor can now detect diseases earlier and with more accuracy. For example, AI can analyze X-ray or MRI scan and spot sign of cancer faster than a human might. It also helps in predicting patient health risk by studying the medical history. Next one is a self-driving car. So the self-driving car is imagining a car that drives itself. No hands on the wheel, no feet on the pedal, just smooth self-driving. That's what self-driving car do in artificial intelligence. They use computer vision to use the road, machine learning to understand patterns, and sensor to react in real time. They can recognize stop signs, avoid obstacles, and even predict what other drives might do making roads potentially safer. The third one is a virtual assistants. So the virtual assistant, you might already know about Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant. These are called visual assistants, and they powered by artificial intelligence. They understand our voice commands, search the web, set alarms, even tell jokes. This is possible because of natural language processing, which helps them understand and respond like human. With every interaction, the assistant learn and improve, making our daily life easier and smarter. Next, we see the Turing test. So, Turing test proposed by British mathematician and computer scientist Alan Turing in 1950s. So, it is a method used to machine ability to intelligent behavior that is indistinguishable from that of a human. In the test, a human evaluator engaged in a text-based conversation with both the human and machine without knowing which is. So if evaluator cannot reliably tell which participant is the machine and which is the human, the machine is considered to have passed the test. The core idea is to access whether a machine can think or respond like a human being. So it is the interact with the both machines and a human via text. So how the Turing test works? So that in this diagram, it illustrates how the Turing test is conducted to evaluate a machine ability to demonstrate human-like intelligence. In left side, a computer running a intelligent program. So in left side, these are the computer running a intelligent program. Then T1, T2 thumb terminals. In right side, T3 T1 is connected to the machine, T2 is connected to the human responder, T3 is connected is to the integrated. It's the human evaluator. So integrator role. Here the role of integrator is placed in a closed room and communicate by a test with both the machine T1 and T2 without knowing which is which. The integrator can ask any kind of question. For example, describe your dog or what is your favorite color. Both the machine and the human reply with the test. The goal is for the machine to respond in such a way that integrator cannot distinguish between the human and machine replies based purely on the test-based conversation. In this diagram, the integrator sees dogs and cat as responses, possibly to judge who is more human-like in their reply. So here the integrator concluder fails to correctly identify which terminal is the machine, and then AI is said to have passed the Turing test, providing its ability to imitate human conversation and convincingly. We come to the end of this section. I hope you enjoyed this section. Thank you.